we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of SereneLife portable full-size infrared home spa, one-person sauna, with heating footpad and portable chair. Highlight features or overview summary are include: personal sauna. Can't get to the spa but want to experience the benefits of sauna therapy? No problem, this indoor sauna kit comes with everything you need to get your sauna on in the comfort of your own home. Detoxify and relax. Use this portable home sauna for weight loss, detoxing, and stress/fatigue relief. The heat that radiates from the sauna and heated foot mat soothes achy muscles, helps prevent fatigue, and detoxes the system. Portable sauna unit. Have a mobile beauty spa or want to move your sauna dome from one room to another? Our infrared sauna is conveniently portable. You can pick it up or pack it up when need. Enjoy and relax. Use this sauna to relax after a day of work, while reading books, listening to music, play on your mobile phone, watch movies, and so on. Energy efficient. SereneLife portable infrared sauna has 1300 watt high power heating element and can reach a max temp of 140 degrees Fahrenheit/60 degrees Celsius in no time, making it highly power efficient. Comes with wired controller for timer/auto heat setting. Includes sauna chair. While other saunas require you to build your own sauna room using your own stool or chair, our portable sauna comes with a comfortable and foldable sauna chair. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.